up? Welcome back to the channel. Kayla Jukic here. If you are new, if you're not, hello again. Today is Monday and I'm gonna take you through a weekly vlog or like a couple days in my life. I have a lot going on this week because it is your girl's birthday week. Monday is usually my busiest day just because it's the start of a new week. I gotta grocery shop, I gotta meal prep, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Lately I've been trying to help myself with all of these Monday tasks and doing them on Sundays. So like I'll try and grocery shop and meal prep on Sundays for the week. However, yesterday we did go to Brampton to go see family, so we were there pretty much the entire day, so I had no time to do that. I went to the gym really early this morning at like 8:30, 8:45 a.m. I've been going to the gym earlier the past couple of weeks, and honestly it just makes my days so much easier because I feel like I have so much more time. I won't be showing you my workouts this week just because I am also filming a week of workouts because I did start a new 4-day split, so you guys will see that in another video. I quickly just went to Herc's. I picked up a protein shake because I have no groceries in my house. I decided that I'm gonna start taking creatine again because I haven't in probably at least a year. So I picked that up, and then I also picked up the protein for oats. Usually I get the maple brown sugar, I believe the flavor is, but they were out of it. So I got vanilla. I love this. I use this for my overnight oats, which I'm gonna be making today with my meal prep. Now I'm sitting outside of Food Basics. Let's go get some groceries. I just got back from grocery shopping, so I'm gonna do a quick haul. This is $100 worth of groceries. Everything is from Food Basics. We'll start in this small little bag just so I can get rid of it, but I got a carton of 18 eggs. I think I'm gonna meal prep some boiled eggs, and I know I'm gonna be doing some baking towards the end of the week, so I had to make sure I had enough of that. In this bag, we got boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We've been going through these, so I got the family size of the cinnamon toast Eggos, gala apples and avocados, a pack of blueberries, and this Greek yogurt from Irresistibles. I've never tried this flavor before, but it's peach mango passion fruit, I believe. And then I got 2% milk, and I also needed to restock on all-purpose flour. I showed you guys this already, but I got the vanilla protein for oats for my oatmeal, and then creatine. I got two things of ice cream. They were both on sale, so I got mini vanilla almond Haagen-Dazs, and then I bought these strawberry vanilla sky Greek yogurt like low-fat bars. Chicken burgers I've been craving lately, and then sourdough bread. Some more meat for the week. I got extra lean ground chicken, and then I got some chicken wings. I bought a random chicken penne pasta frozen lunch just in case. And then last but not least, I bought this pack of strawberry banana yogurt drink things for my husband and broccoli. Now I'm going to go put all of this away. Just finished all my meal prep, so I'm gonna quickly show you guys. So I made a bolognese pasta. So the sauce is actually homemade for my friend Paulina and Marcus. They gave it to Alan and I, so I used that with some rotini pasta and then extra lean ground chicken. I made 4 of those for my lunches for the week. I did some boiled eggs because for breakfast this week I'm kind of back on my avocado kick, so I'm having avocado toast with like a boiled egg, and then I meal prepped 2 overnight oats with apples and cinnamon just because I'm kind of getting sick of having strawberries. I only like meal prepping for like 2 or 3 days when it comes to overnight oats, because then, you know, when these are done, I'll meal prep for the next couple of days just because of texture. I don't like when it gets too soggy. So that is everything. I'm gonna go put it all away now. Okay, it's a little bit later. I'm so excited because my birthday dress just came in. So my birthday, 31st birthday, which I literally cannot believe, is on Friday, and I ordered a dress off of Showpo. You guys have been seeing me wearing a lot of stuff from Showpo lately. Love it. Freaking love it. So let's open it up together. I was actually expecting it to come tomorrow, but I don't mind. I'm going to Game Time Social for my birthday. I think I'm going to actually do a birthday vlog, so I'll bring you guys along with me. Not in this video. I think I'm going to make that a completely separate video, which is almost like it's a restaurant, but it's a bar. And there's also like an arcade. I honestly think they have like archery and maybe even a mini bowling there or something. I don't know. They have a lot of things going on. So to wear a dress is like, I could probably wear something more casual, but it's my birthday, so whatever. It doesn't say the name on it, but this is the Runaway, the label Sherry Knit Maxi Dress in the color Sand Black, and I got it in a size medium. I really like it too because it is knit, so I feel like I can wear it in the winter, I can wear it in the fall still. And now that I'm touching it, it's like a thin knit, so it'd be even nice like on vacation. So I know I'm gonna wear it a lot. It's a long maxi dress. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. And it's just striped. It's so cute, but then the back is open. I love it, and it's long sleeve. It's just so cute, so I'm gonna try it on. Honest to God, how stinking cute is this? First of all, it's like not super tight, but it is a little bit form-fitting, and just like, look at these hips, like it hugs so nicely. I wish the sleeves were a tad bit longer, but I like that they kind of like flare out and get big at the bottom. This is a little bit of a close-up on the knitting. It's just so nice. I'm tall and it literally goes almost to the bottom of the floor, which is good. And then this is what the back looks like, so super open. Of course, I'm not gonna wear it with a bra. I just have a bra on now. I'm just gonna wear like those like sticky booby tape things I have from Amazon. And then when we were coming back from our cruise, we stopped at like Target and TJ Maxx, and I found this DKNY like crossbody at TJ Maxx, I think, and it was on sale for $30. So like, I picked that up, and I think that would go really cute. And honestly, like, I'm gonna be bringing cameras and stuff, so it's gonna hold good space. Like, I think this is just such a cute casual like birthday outfit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's birthday week, it's birthday week, it's birthday week, it's birthday week. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my God, good morning guys. Happy Tuesday. I just got out of the shower. I did a little body shower because I went to the gym early this morning and I don't want to do my hair yet. I think I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow. Oh my, I'm tired today. But quickly, I want to do my skincare. I also just made an avocado toast, and I should have showed you guys the recipe because it's something I've been loving lately, but I forgot to pick up my camera, so maybe next time. I cleansed my face in the shower, and now I'm using the Glow Recipe Pore Tight Toner. So I just put it in like a little cotton ball and put it all over my skin. Honestly, I might have told you guys this, but since I started using it, my pores have definitely got smaller. I've always struggled with really big, dark pores. Like, I've always had like blackheads and that type of stuff, but this has been really helping. Next thing I'm gonna be using is the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Serum. So this is Deep Hydration and Glow. I love this so much. And I learned you're supposed to be putting like serums and stuff on before your moisturizer, because if you put it on like dry skin, then the moisturizer doesn't moisturize. I don't know. Next, I like using the Summer Fridays CC Me serum. It's a brightening illuminate type of thing. I got this in a FabFitFun box, I think. Again, I am not the person to come to for this type of stuff, but I just want to show you guys what my current morning skincare routine is. Then we're going in with the Glow Recipe moisturizer. I love this so much. I literally just bought this in December, so like over a month ago, and it's almost done. And if you can't tell, I love Glow Recipe's products. They just feel so good on my skin. Next, I'm almost done this. I also got this, I have a hair in my mouth. Oh my God. I also got this from FabFitFun. It's Grace and Stella Brightening and Moisturizing Eye Cream. It's almost done, as you can see. I use the shit out of this because the bags under my eyes are always friggin' brutal. Just gonna wash my hands quickly because I'm gonna do my lips next. The last thing I'm gonna do is another Glow Recipe product, the excuse me, oh my God, that was gross. The Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. That's a mouthful, but it's been really good keeping my lips hydrated, especially now in the winter. It gets so dry. I think the flavor is called mixed berry or berry or something like that. Right now it is 1:57, and as you can see, I'm sitting outside of Staples. Just drove here because the snow finally stopped. I wanted to show you how beautiful it was snowing outside, but it's just like, it's nothing now. It's done for the day. The thing is, it is wet snow, so the ground is like pretty much slush right now, which is so annoying. But I figured since it stopped snowing, it was probably a good time for me to go out and pick up my order from Staples. So on Friday, I actually sent in 2 orders. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about when I get home. But I found these photo organizers off of Amazon that I purchased, and I am just going to organize printed photos. The reason that I'm doing so is because recently my stepdad decided that he's ready to get going on selling the house that him and my mom lived in. If this is the first time you're seeing me, just a little recap. My mom passed away from cancer in 2017, at the end of 2017. And now it's like almost 7 years later and he's finally ready to kind of get rid of that house and move into something smaller and all of that. So he's found a lot more like photos and memories and things that we didn't even know that was just like piled in their crawl space and like their storage room, and he's been giving that to me for me to keep, obviously, and like to go through. Honestly, like I've sat on it so much. I love printed photos now that like I have a loved one who's passed away. Like these are the memories that I have of her, and like I want that for my family and for my kids and that kind of stuff. We live in this generation where everything is just like on your phone and social media and like in an iCloud and stuff, and that's totally cool. Like I have photos saved, you know, in external hard drives and on my iCloud and that type of stuff, but I like the idea of printed photos. I will forever be a printed photo gal. So what I'm starting to do is I am slowly gonna start printing all of my favorite photos throughout the years. And like I said, I'll show you when I get home how I'm going to organize it. Literally, look at this. Pure slush. Back in the car, and I got so many photos. So I did two separate orders. One was for 200, the other was for 291. So she gave me my first order. She was like, oh, that's a lot of photos. And I was like, yeah, I have a second one. And she's like, is it photos too? And I was like, yeah. And then she looked and she found it, 291 photos. She was like, that's a lot of photos. And I was like, I know, but I swear there's a reason for it. And I'm so excited. I love these. Oh my God. Oh my God. So good. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That's one of my favorite photos from our wedding. I have a lot more photos to order because like I said, I'm gonna be doing this for like my whole entire life, so I'm gonna do it a little bit over time just so I don't like break my bank. I also remembered that I needed a few things for work, so I picked up an entered stamp and a date stamp, and then I got a roll of stamps. I'm out of all of those at my office and I'm going to my office on Thursday, so better to pick it up now because last week when I went to my office I completely forgot and I was like, shit. So better to get it done now. Now we're gonna go home. Just got home, got all of the photos here. I'm not gonna organize them all right now. I kind of just want to give you an overview. So I bought these little cases off of Amazon. This is what it looks like. I have a second one over there that I've already done. I'll show you in a second. So what I like about it is, one, it locks, so you can literally carry it around like so. You just flip it down and open it up. It comes with these little cases, so you can just open this up also. So I believe there's 16 cases, and in each little case, so in one of these, you can hold 100 4x6 photos. Basically, what my thought process is one of these is going to be for an entire year, and the year of photos consists of anything other than traveling. So for example, in here, I printed a bunch of photos from 2023 and 2022. So one of these will be for 2023, and then I'm going to have one of them for 2023 travel. So all of the trips that we did in 2023 will go in here, and then I'm going to continue to do that. Obviously, I'm going to need to probably buy like at least one or two more of these cases. I haven't opened it up yet, but I did buy a little label maker off of Amazon also. So on each like little thing, I'm just going to put like 2023 travel. I'm going to do 2022. I'm going to write honeymoon 2022 because I want to do one for my honeymoon. I want to do one for all of my bridal stuff. So I'll do like bridal events 2020. Then I printed 100 for our wedding. So wedding, like you get the drift. So like I'm saying for the 100th time, I'm not doing it right now. So probably in another vlog, I'll show you guys like the final product or like the process of it. But that's kind of just an overview. It's going to make my life so much easier, and it's going to save me so much space because like boxes and photo albums take up so much room in my storage, and that just condenses it, and it's just, I love it. It's so good. Hello, happy Thursday. So I did not vlog yesterday. I was busy. I had a lot of things to do, but today I'm picking up the camera for a little bit. I got all dolled up and I'm gonna go take some birthday content, which is so like, I hate to say it, like influencer of me, but I just love doing content creation, and I saw something like a birthday trend and I want to try it out. Lips looking fabulous. Oh my god, and I love my hair. It's nothing super crazy. It's just like a specific reel that I want to film and post tomorrow for my birthday. So I just put on this dress. It's like a midi dress, I guess they're called, because it doesn't go all the way down. It's long sleeve, it has the scoop neck. It's from Garage, just a plain black dress. I quickly want to show you guys, I went to Costco yesterday and I picked up this. It was on sale from Organica Enhanced Collagen Protein. Honestly, I want to start increasing my protein intake, and I know collagen is really good for like hair and nails. So I was reading some reviews and this one had a lot of good ones, and it says it's Canada's #1 collagen. We're gonna give it a try. It's 100% pure, flavorless, hydrolyzed collagen peptide powder, and it just looks really good. Like it says no added hormones, no artificial ingredients, soy free, no sugar added, gluten free, dairy free, keto friendly, and antibiotic free. So I tried it today. I put it in my smoothie. It is flavorless, so didn't taste it, but hopefully it helps. I also did buy these like Quest protein chips. I always see them, but I've never tried them. So it comes in a pack with nacho cheese and the taco one. Here's Mr. Kobe. The weather is so shit, so every time I would take him out, I have to like clean him, and oh my god, it's been crazy. And he just got a haircut on Sunday. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. I'm not gonna go outside, but like, look at this weather. It's raining and it's pure fog. It's just disgusting. This literally happens every year on my birthday. I always have like a shit birthday with either snow or like this kind of weather, but it's fine. I'm an Aquarius gal, if you guys didn't know. I don't know anything about zodiac signs, so let me know in the comments, but I'm doing enough talking. Let's go take some photos and videos and do all the things. Okay, I think I got the shot. I just screen recorded it and I sent it to the husband, and I'm like, is this lame? Am I stupid? Should I redo it? Does it look good? Like, I'm kind of freaking out. And he's like, no, I love it. Like, I really, really like it. And I was like, are you sure? Are you lying? Are you telling me the truth? But yeah, that was cute. I'm gonna take some pictures now because I need a little cover photo. And honestly, I kind of like how I'm looking. Feeling good. Can't believe I'm gonna be 31. Oh my god, oh my god. I found these in my storage unit, so I just added that, and I had these like butterflies from my bridal shower, and I just bought this cake from Walmart. It was $6, and then I bought the candles, and I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought this happy birthday balloon. It was $3. Holy crap, I was parched. I just got back from filming everything. I got some good videos and I got some pictures, and I'm so thirsty. Oh my god. Did I even tell you guys? I can't remember because I was rushing earlier, but did I tell you I got my lashes done? So they're looking fresh. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna go get my nails done just because they're a little bit outgrown. I think I'm gonna go black, go back to my roots, but I think I'm gonna do like a separate vlog because I kind of want to do a birthday vlog. I don't think I've ever done one before, so I think I'm gonna end this video here. I need to go outside and walk Kobe in this shit weather, which drives me nuts. So I gotta gear up. I gotta put my hat and gloves and all this shit on. So gonna end this video, this couple days in my life. Next vlog you guys will see will be my birthday vlog, and then I have a week of workouts coming for you guys, so a lot of good content. If there's anything you want to see, let a girl know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and it's my birthday tomorrow. Woo! Woo! I'll catch you guys then.